Welcome. Readers, are you ready to be a better reader and answering passage? Reading section. Preparation. The TOEFL preparation course and this pre-specialization are for those interested in performing their best on the TOEFL ITP test. This course will help you to become more familiar with the various types of questions on the test. There are tips and strategies demonstrated in this section will prepare to perform your best to attain the score you seek. Score and questions. This section will help you to study to achieve your best TOEFL ITP test score. It includes quizzes that you can practice as many times as you want to memorize the answers. We'll give you advice and tips to read time about how to prepare for test day. Improve it. You will learn to also teach us how to best practice and prepare for test days, as well as how to manage your time and perform optimally during the exam. With plenty of practice, you will know exactly what to expect when you take the actual test, reducing anxiety and boosting your confidence.